What's up guys, welcome back to another Piggy video. Today we are gonna be playing Piggy Chapter 7. So we're gonna be playing Piggy Chapter 7 and I'm in a public server by now and Steven's not gonna be playing with me. I just hope they like Chapter 7, just please. Please be Chapter 7, just please. Okay, so far so good with the boats. Only I'm doing the boats. Like the music in Piggy's peaceful. We're almost out of here. I just need to rest a little. Don't worry, Bunny. We're getting out of here. Okay, here we go. Steven's not gonna be playing with me today because he is sleeping. Like always sleeping. Oh, there's no keys. Is there gonna be something in there? Let's hope. Oh, an orange key. Great. Oh, that's where Piggy spawns. I better run. Okay. What is this in the chat? Okay. So I believe the orange key goes here. And there's going to be the coin. The coin spawns in different places. We're going to go back to the vending machine. Piggy. Oh my god. Piggy's coming. Oh my god, there's Piggy. That's mine. Okay, I got the blue key. So it looks like they've done the red key. What's in there? Okay, it's the green key. Someone died. Wait, have we been here already? I don't think so. I heard someone died. It's very loud. Ooh. I'm not being invisible. Okay. I'm getting the green key. So the green key is from where we spawned. Okay, there are many people dying now. Oh. Am I the only one left? I think so. I just hope I can do this. What's in here? Carrots! Oh no! Girl, run! Girl! You're gonna die! Oh, she died! She died dead. Shut the door. What? Oh no, I thought I saw something. No. Oh, thank you. There's someone with me. I thought I was the only one left. The wrench. Okay, we need this. Has it been used? So Piggy's gone for 20 seconds. Just hope. Oh no, she's dead. Okay, and I'm almost to camouflage. 7. Camouflage. Oh, we escaped. Bunny, the train is working now. Bunny, are you alright? Mr. P gave me a potion. I drank it. I didn't know it would soon turn me into... ... You can still come with me. We can find him. No, you need to go without me. Bunny, I go now. I'll hold those monsters off for as long as I can. Oh no, it's like a sad story. Well, goodbye, Bunny. Good luck, Shelly One, sis. Oh, that's sad. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll soon be playing Piggy Chapter 8. Bye!